Hey there, job seekers. I may have already told you this, but did you know that recruiters spend on average just 7 seconds reviewing a CV or resume? Yep, you heard that right, just 7 seconds. So how can you make those precious 7 seconds count? Stick around, because today I'm going to share with you my top 10 tips to make your CV stand out to recruiters and HR professionals. And trust me, you won't want to miss the bonus tip at the end. Welcome back to the Mr. Jobs channel, where we provide you with expert career advice. I'm a professional executive recruiter with over 25 years of experience helping job seekers all over the world land their perfect job or career. Today we're diving into the 10 tips that will make your resume stand out to recruiters to help you increase your chances of landing that dream job. Your resume is your first impression on recruiters, so let's make it a great one. Let's face it, with the sheer volume of resumes and CVs that recruiters receive, and trust me, it is a lot, they need to quickly identify the best candidates. So the big question is, how can you ensure that your resume catches their eye? It's all about making a strong first impression and standing out from the crowd. But before we get into it, I need your help. I love making these videos. Especially, I love helping you, the job seeker, to make progress in your career. However, for me to provide you with more content specific to your needs, I need you to hit that button and subscribe to this channel. Also, it's the comments that help me improve the content and make it more relevant to you. So please let me know how I am doing and mention any topics or challenges you would like help with. I'd love to help you. All right, let's jump in to our countdown, starting at number 10. Tailor your resume to the job description. You have a job description, right? Customize your resume for each job application by using keywords effectively to showcase your skills and experience that match the job requirements. Don't be lazy and recycle the same old resume or CV for every application. You just have to make it unique for every role that you're applying for every time. At number 9, highlight your achievements. Quantify your impact wherever possible. Numbers speak louder than words, especially in dollar terms. For example, saying on your CV that you have increased sales by 50% of my target is good, but it's not great. Instead, say that you have increased sales by 50%, which equates to over $100,000 per year in increased revenue. Much better. At number 8, use a clean professional format. Make your resume visually appealing with a clear structure and headings and bullet points. Find a template that works for you. There are plenty of free ones out there on the internet, but make sure it's a good format and style for the role that you are applying for. At number 7, include a strong statement. This should be a concise overview of your skills and experiences that grabs the attention right away. Always write this in the first person, not the third person, and use plenty of strong and positive adjectives to describe the things that best tell a true story of who you are and what you're all about. At number 6, focus on relevant experience. Cut out the fluff and only include experiences that are relevant to the job you're applying for. The last 5 years of your career is the period that is of most importance. Focus on that and don't include random tasks or gigs that bear no relevance to the job that you're applying for. At number 5, showcase your skills. List your key skills prominently, especially those that match the job description. Always use bullet or dot points. Long rambling paragraphs simply do not get read by recruiters ever. I promise you, paragraphs don't get read. At number 4, use action verbs. Start your bullet points with strong action verbs like led, developed, implemented to make your responsibilities and achievements stand out. But be careful not to be repetitive and use the same action verbs more than once or twice. It looks lazy and creates a bad impression. At number 3, include industry-specific keywords. This helps with both applicant tracking systems and human recruiters who are scanning for relevant terms. But be careful that you don't overdo the industry-specific jargon, as it could have the opposite effect. Abbreviations or just using initials for topics shows that you know your stuff, but too much of it and your CV will seem disjointed and a lot of it will get missed by HR professionals. At number 2, proofread for errors. Typos and grammatical errors can be major deal breakers. Make sure your resume is error-free. This speaks for itself, of course, but you would not believe the amount of errors and spelling mistakes I see on job seekers' CVs. Here's a fun fact. Can you guess the number 1 word that is misspelt on CVs? It's the word manager, which is often spelt manger. Spell checkers see this word as a normal word because it is one, but it's the wrong word. Be very careful. Now stick around for the bonus tip that's coming up right after this. And our number 1 top tip to get your CV noticed by recruiters is to keep your CV or resume concise. Remember, recruiters spend just 7 seconds on a resume, so make every word count and be sure that it engages the recruiter and makes them want to keep reading. An exceptionally lengthy CV, maybe 5 pages or more, will get overlooked for sure. A good rule of thumb is to keep it to 2 to 3 pages for younger people and maybe 3 or 4 pages if you have, say, over 20 years of work experience under your belt. In summary, your resume should be a targeted marketing tool that highlights your unique skills and experiences. Think of it as your personal branding document. To make your resume memorable, focus on quality over quantity. Keep it concise, relevant, and visually appealing. Use bullet point headings and white space effectively to make it easy to read and navigate. Now, if you're finding these tips helpful, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more career advice. And hey, we love hearing those success stories, so please share any resume wins that you have or any topics you would like to hear about in the comments below. Remember, with the right resume, you can stand out from the competition and land your dream job. In summary, a well-crafted resume can truly make a difference in your job search. It's your ticket to getting noticed by recruiters and landing interviews. Remember to customize your resume for each job application, highlight your achievements, and showcase your unique value proposition. Put in the effort and it will pay off in the long run, I assure you. And as promised, here's your bonus tip. Add a professional portfolio link. Whether it's a LinkedIn profile, a personal website, or an online portfolio, include a link where recruiters can see more of your work and learn more about you. Because when they do check you out, you know they are interested in what you have to offer. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And remember, with the right resume, you're one step closer to landing your perfect job. See you next time on Mr. Jobs.